Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Suraj from Suraj. I have brought a very interesting concept called object-oriented programming. So today we are going to see four pillars of object-oriented programming. And before moving towards the object-oriented programming, I will start with the procedure-oriented programming. So procedure-oriented programming was implemented in various languages, but I would consider the C language, and then considering the C language and teaching, I'm going to tell you about the procedure-oriented programming. So why procedure-oriented programming? What type of drawbacks the procedure-oriented programming that C had in it? When the function was declared, when there was a functionality, there was a main method, but the functionality was not declared in a particular structure like the object-oriented programming used to have, and even it was not secure, and it was quite confusing that it had some concepts like pointers and structures. So it was overcome in object-oriented programming called Java language. So it is basically built on four pillars called inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. So very first concept we are going through is inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but one class or one property or one object having the same features, and another property having its own feature, and that another property or another class inheriting the feature or properties of the first previous class is called inheritance. For example, father and child. Child inherits all the properties of his father, and even he has his own properties. Similarly, encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but hiding everything within one container, and it could be accessed only by creating its instance. Similarly, suppose I have a bag. I have kept duster, keyboard, pens, pencils, tiffin, everything inside that bag. Okay. Now to access that, I have one instance called chain of that bag. For that, I have to open that chain, and from that only I could access those tiffins, whatever accessories which I have kept inside that bag. This is called as encapsulation. Now, another concept is abstraction. Abstraction means showing only those details which are required and hiding which are not required. That is, take the example of car. When you sit in the car, the driver puts the gear, accelerates, brakes, clutches, or moves the steering here and there. By this, we could see that car could be moved from here to there, but we could not see the circuits and mechanism of that car. This is nothing but abstraction. What abstraction is? Abstraction has even another property is whatever there in the functionality makes compulsory to be inherited. For example, you have a Nokia mobile, I have a Panasonic mobile. Okay. Now, what features of these both mobiles are different, but while Panasonic and Nokia mobile, I could message and call. So these are the functions which needs to be inherited in each and every device. So abstraction makes it compulsory to be inherited in each and every mobile. So another concept is polymorphism. Poly means many, and morphisms means forms. Means one property or one object having different behavior. It's called as polymorphism. Take the example of crocodile. When crocodile hunts on the land, it has a low attacking speed, and when that crocodile is inside the river, it has a different attacking speed. Means what happens, attacking or moving from one place to another, or mobility of that crocodile decreases on the land, and that when he enters the water, he has a speed and has a different quality. He can swim and he can even attack the faster. So it is nothing but a polymorphism. So we have went to the different concepts of OOPs called inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. In this way, we have completed the OOPs features using Java. Thank you.